Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage O, the wind, from the second text in this simple comprehension series. The wind blew a cold breeze through the long, thick grass. As the wind came upon the old wooden house, it pushed up, around, and through the two-story derelict mansion. With residents gone, only memories remained. Some wind managed to get under windowsills and door frames, entering the home and letting out a long, low whistle. The house stood still and wondered when it would call itself a home once more. Questions. Is the house large? How do you know that? Does anyone live in the house? How do you know that? What does derelict in sentence 2 mean? Describe the house. When will the house call itself a home? Now let's check the answers. Is the house large? And how do you know that? Yes, it is large. It's described as a two-story home and also described as a mansion, which is a very large home. Does anyone live in the house? How do you know that? No, they don't. It's described as derelict. And it also says that the residents are gone. What does derelict in sentence 2 mean? Well, we could say no longer used, looked after, no longer lived in, no longer cared for, or we could say no longer maintained. All good answers. Describe the house, and you can use your own words or words from the text. Well, derelict, large, a mansion, no longer cared for, empty, all good answers. When will the house call itself a home again? It will call itself a home when people live in the house once more. Thank you for your time. How did you go?